It's how the strippers be, y'all. With their money.
Oh, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it.
Come on, clap, clap.
Clap, 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 clap. Bow, 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 bow. Ooh, let me see what you got. 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 Okay. Men in black. Oh, we got.
It's just a men in black.
You just want to have on black because I got on black. That's how I know you want to fuck me.
That's a lie.
That's how I know. You want this good cootie cat. You want this good cootie cat. No, you ain't blind. He got on the same color I got on. He got on the same color, y'all. We black on black. Hey. It comes Greg with the SpongeBob shaking it.
Oh, okay, SpongeBob.
Make it clap.
Clap, make it clap, 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 clap. He was supposed to make it clap too, and he did.
SpongeBob, like, I can't hear you. Much. Oh, listen up, pineapple under the seat.
Come on, SpongeBob, looking ass, nigga.
Oh, Coach Greg, get down.
Coach Greg said your booty muscly or soft.
Who?
Mine. Got that muscular or soft booty.
Boy, you got a muscle. That's muscular and soft.
Okay. They don't make them like this at all.
They don't make it like that no more. Tell them.
No,
Biscoff.
Marlon know what it is.
You know exactly.
It's like the Biscoff cookies.
Marlon know what it is. You didn't have it.
Oh, my God. Marlon a virgin.
Marlon ain't
Marlon a
no
virgin like me. We both virgin.
Coach Greg.
He's a liar.
I'm a Christian woman.
Coach Greg.
Who a virgin?
Me.
What happened in Vegas, Coach Greg?
Stays in Vegas.
What happened in San Diego? What?
Stays in San Diego.
Stays in San Diego.
Goes to Denver.
Cause they was out till 4 in the morning. They was out till 4 in the morning clapping them cheeks.
What?
Wait, what?
What? That's not
Okay.
All right, yeah, we gotta blow this popsicle stand. It's time to go. They're about to charge me.
Hey y'all, my last day in San Diego, and we had to come to the beach. Yes, honey, we is at the beach. Period. We've been getting turned up, y'all. We've been chilling, but I didn't do an intro to this video because the way I started it off is just turning up with my people who I love, my dad's family. And so y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment below with some more ideas I can do on my channel. I'm trying to be consistent, so this video will be a part 2. But this is my last day. After we leave the beach, I will be getting dropped off at the airport for me and my daughter can take off. But I wish we could have did more, but we came out here for a dance competition, and I didn't get no footage of the dance competition because we were so busy.
Man,
we was like so busy doing so
they was fucking it up.
much that I couldn't even get no footage to put on my vlog. Anyways, but yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all. We up here at the beach, about to take a couple of pictures.
Ski beach.
If you yeah.
Trying to see what's up. Ski.
Sexy red ski. If you trying to see me, tell me. What? How I go?
Tell me you know what's up.
Tell me you know what's up. Y'all, we at Ski Beach too. Ooh, we at Sexy Red type of beach. Ski. Ski Beach.
That sound like the beach. You smell that?
If you trying to see. I wish all of them could be up in there because I'm gonna have Marlon send myself so he can make me a dope thumbnail. But yeah, y'all, I wish I can get on the ski. I wish I can get on a boat. It say no swimming or fishing. Oh, they got a sand down there.
Walk a little bit. Stick your toes in the sand a little bit.
Yeah, y'all. So
Yeah, we was gonna walk down.
we just walking. Finna ski in my sexy red boy ski. If you're trying to see what's up, ski.
Well, I should have brought that weed. Let me go back and get that.
I'm hot as hell. I got on a whole bodysuit, all black. And he copied me, wanna have on all black too, and we hot as a motherfucker. When I make it home, I'm gonna jump right back in the shower again.
We got like a 7-hour ride.
Oh, I know. That's why I don't know why you didn't get no ticket for you and Darian. All right, y'all. I'll be back.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't